3. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Phantom Wallet for Solana. Start by downloading the Phantom Wallet app for your mobile device or installing the Phantom browser extension from the official website. Next, open Phantom and tap Create a new wallet if you're setting up a wallet for the first time. If you already have a wallet, choose Import Existing Wallet and follow the prompts to restore it. After that, create a strong password to protect your wallet on your device. Now carefully back up your recovery phrase and store it in a safe offline location. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone, and never store it in an insecure location. Next, complete the verification process if Phantom asks you to confirm your recovery phrase. After that, once your wallet is created, you'll automatically have a Solana account available, since Solana is one of Phantom's supported networks. Now tap the Receive button, select Solana, and copy your wallet address if you want to receive SOL from another wallet or exchange. Next, transfer some SOL to your Phantom wallet so you have funds available for transactions and network fees. After that, wait for the transfer to be confirmed and verify that your SOL balance appears in your wallet. Finally, your Phantom wallet is ready to use for sending, receiving, staking SOL, and connecting to Solana decentralized applications. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Phantom Wallet for Solana. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.